Dr. Seuss 1, 2, 3. 1. 1. It all starts with 1. One cat on a ball having fun. 2. 2. Next comes 2. Two orange antlers on Foo the Snoo. 3. 3. Count to 3. Three birds sitting in a puffy pink tree. 4. 4. Can you spot 4? Four friends walking to a big pink door. 5. 5. Do you see 5? 5 funny fish are out for a drive. Look up and down. Look side to side. Can you count 6? Mouths open wide. 7. This man here is Mr. Gump. Mr. Gump has a 7-hump wump. Now it's time to count to 8. 8 weary elephants and a tree of great weight. 9. 9 sad turtles, each on another's back, piled up together in a 9-turtle stack. Count 10 birds. That's what you should do. Count 10 birds in yellow and blue. 11. Look at his fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yikes! He has 11. 12. Can you count 12 curious crandalls? They sleepwalk on hills with assorted-sized candles. 13. Count 13 trapezers of the Zuma Zoop troupe. They grab onto each other as they zoop and they swoop. 14. Old Mr. Sneelock on his roller skate skis slides past 14 pots full of sticklebush trees. 15. Count them all. 15 cats sleeping on a ziggy-zaggy wall. 16. Can you count 16 of the brothers Bazoo? They are known far and wide for the way their hair grew. 17. And speaking of counting, you should be quite gladish that you are not this farmer's 17th radish. 18. Count 18 jogoons from far desert dunes who like to croon tunes about pebbles and prunes. 19. Over the water and into the sky. Can you count 19 blooks blowing by? 20. Start at the bottom, work up to the top. Count 20 fudundlers and now you can stop.